take you from feeling hindered to feeling invigorated. That is the emotional aspect that Peppermint Essential Oil can bring to you. Hi guys, I'm Anastasia, the Oilymommy, and on this channel, we talk about business tips and oil tricks for the busy mom. So let's talk about the properties in Peppermint Essential Oil. This is a 15 ml size bottle, and it is steam distilled from the leaves of the peppermint plant. You are probably very familiar with the scent or the aroma of peppermint. It's very bright and happy, and it improves alertness, so it's kind of smells a little alert. This is so good. One of my tricks is if you are tired and need a pick-me-up in the middle of the day, or maybe it's like past 4 p.m. and you're like, I can't have another cup of coffee, but you're just dragging, this right here is your energy in a bottle. Just take the cap off and smell it. Like seriously. All right, let's talk about the top properties in peppermint. So it is anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, it's warming, it's invigorating, it's cooling, it's an expectorant, it's a vasoconstrictor, and it is stimulating. Like I was just talking about, it is stimulating. It helps stimulate the senses. This is why it is an excellent one to couple with lemon, because lemon helps improve concentration and peppermint improves alertness, and so the combination together is like this magic elixir of making you alert and able to concentrate and focus. All right, so how are the ways that you can benefit from this oil, use this oil, experience this oil? So one of my favorite ways is what I just did, taking a drop, putting it in your hand, rubbing your hands together, cup over your nose and mouth, and inhale deeply. Oh, so good. Just helps open up the airways. I'm already just feeling clear and refreshed. You know when you wake up in the morning and you are in the woods and there's pine trees in the air and it's like cold, it's like fall, early winter, like how that feels when you breathe in that air? That is how it feels when you breathe in a drop of peppermint oil. So we're not like, I'm not talking about putting this directly in our mouth, even though you can do that, but that would be a lot at one time. I'm talking about putting this in your hand and breathing in with that experience, cupping over the nose and mouth. It is just, it's invigorating. It's awakening. It's also really good for bad breath. As I'm doing all this heavy breathing, I'm realizing, gosh, breath, bad breath. Very good for bad breath. A way that you can use it would be you can actually take it in a vegetable capsule, an empty vegetable capsule, or you can take your finger, touch the top of the lid there, go up, down, and then kind of rub it around your teeth, your gums, all those areas, and it will help freshen your breath. So really good for that. Also a great natural remedy for hangovers. Had a little too much at the party, or too many margaritas on vacation, whatever it was. This is a great one to just help clear your head, kind of wake you up. And because it helps with those feelings of nausea and such, it's going to be a great one to help reduce that nausea. Transitioning into nausea. So you are feeling nauseous, car sick, you have kids that are feeling car sick, you're pregnant, and everything makes you feel sick. The smell of everything, the thought of anything. Open up the bottle. You can literally just smell directly from the bottle, but also a trick that I love to do is to take a drop and to put it behind your neck. and rub it in. And this is also great if you have any type of tension in the neck, in the head, in the body. Peppermint is wonderful for helping soothe that tension, helping relax those muscles, help get rid of that headache. And then you can also just get the cooling sensation from it on the back of your neck, which will help when you're pregnant and you feel like hot flashes and nausea at the same time. It's like the worst. If you've been there, you know what I'm talking about. This will stop it in its tracks. Like, this is the best natural remedy I have ever found to stop it in its tracks. And I've been pregnant like 9 times. Trust me, I'm like literally speaking from experience on this. Also wonderful to bring down, naturally help bring down the body temperature for something like fever or hot flashes. All right, you can do this with, I love to couple peppermint with frankincense essential oil. Put 10 drops of each in a roller bottle, dilute it with fractionated coconut oil, and rub it along the spine, the back of the neck, over the chest, bottoms of the feet. If it's kids, bottoms of the feet and the spine is gonna be perfect. If it's you or an adult, the chest, spine, bottoms of feet, basically everywhere over the top of your forehead is gonna be great to help just get rid of those hot flashes, cool down, because it is a vasodilator, so it's going to help just release that heat from the body and cool down the body. All right, what else? Also really good for burns, sunburns. So if you watched my lavender oil tutorial, how to use lavender. If you watched that video, I talk about coupling lavender and peppermint together. These are great oils to use together for a myriad of things, but one of them being to help with burns, because it's gonna cool down the burns. Like literally temperature wise, it's gonna cool it down, but it's also gonna soothe the skin in that area. So it has, because of all of its just wonderful natural properties, it is a powerhouse oil to be able to do a myriad of things all at one time. So emotionally, physically, what it can do for the body is just very soothing, very cooling, very uplifting, energizing. All right. This is also a good one for hives or allergies. So like, also you might have watched my lemon oil tutorial video. If you haven't, you can go and check it out. It's a pretty good one. But in that, I described how I use a bug bite stick, especially during times when it's summertime or spring and all the bugs are out, but we're also outside trying to enjoy beautiful weather. This is a great one. Peppermint is a great one to help stop with that itchiness feeling, as well as to help soothe the skin from that burn, bite, sting, whatever it may be. This is a good one for any type of digestive discomfort. So like we talked about a little bit with the nausea, but also if you're feeling bloated, if you are constipated, this is going to be a great universal oil that will help with those issues. You ever notice you go to a restaurant, usually it's like a good restaurant where you eat a lot of food, and they'll have a bowl of mints that you can grab on your way out. That is for a reason. It is because peppermint has been known to soothe the stomach, to help with aid in digestion, and also to help any type of digestive discomfort. So this is a great one all around for eating, living, breathing, being outside, being pregnant. This is one that is definitely in my top 10 in my oil toolbox, as I call it, where I'm able to have it on the ready, on the go. But also putting it into something like a roller bottle, you can even just put peppermint with the fractionated coconut oil together in a roller bottle and just have like a peppermint stick. I also like to use it as a lip plumper, a good natural lip plumper. So ladies, instead of having to go to Victoria's Secret and spend 15 bucks, this is like less than a penny for one drop. And you could put just like 5 drops inside of a roller bottle and fractionated coconut oil and roll that on your lips. and you'll get the hydration from the fractionated coconut oil, you'll get the plumping effect and all that blood flow coming to the surface there at your lips for just a natural plumper. And you'll have great breath. So this is a good one. If if you kiss anybody in your life, this is a good one. It also is really good if you enjoy eating garlic. A good one. All right, so those are my favorite ways to use peppermint. Oh, and one last way is if you want to make the most delicious peppermint mocha, here's my trick. Make your mocha, add in 1 drop of peppermint, stir it up, and enjoy. And also, it's going to help soothe your stomach. And also, it's going to help improve your breath. Like, it's absolutely amazing. This is an amazing oil. If you basically just have to get one oil and you really don't believe that oils work, or you have someone in your life that doesn't believe oils work, let them try peppermint. Peppermint brownies. Oh my gosh. Okay, make a batch of brownies. And when you have the batter in there, dark chocolate's my favorite. So batch of brownies, dark chocolate, throw in some extra chocolate chips in there, and then add in 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. Let me tell you right now. You would think I'm pregnant because I'm all of a sudden having these cravings, but peppermint actually does do that. It helps improve your appetite if you're having issues with not having a good appetite. Again, it's just a wonderful oil all around. All right, so that's peppermint, the star of the show. If you enjoy content like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment below if there's any questions you have about peppermint oil or if you found this to be helpful, and ring that bell so that you get notifications for when I post my next video. Till next time, remember, you just have to open the bottle.